I don't know what it had went out of the app.
It's all right. Truck.
Yeah, I just re-recorded, but yeah, we good.
We're not gonna lift the shingle any more than what the roof snake will allow us to.
Oh, they home. As you see, we got a little bit of damage right here.
All right, y'all.
Let me move around so you can get where you at.
All right, so as you can see, right here, we got some creasing. We got creasing right here. So this is number 1, this is number 3, and this is number 4. And we got creasing on all.
Hold on, let me get on that side.
All 3 of them. 1, 3, and 4.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, and then also we had tearing on the, if you can pan it up, we had tearing on the old shingle. And then we also, let's not forget, earlier we had mat transfer. So with all those things put together, you know, we're gonna say that this thing failed. Thank you.